Hi, everybody, from my cozy living room here. Before this piece, I just wanted to introduce it briefly. This is Dona, Nobis Pacem, one of my favorite pieces of music. I remember singing this as a kid in my school chorus. It's just this melody has always been with me. So I'm really excited to bring it to the ukulele. I'll be playing it here as a round for you, and I'll be teaching it as a round this Saturday, December 3rd at Artichoke Music in Portland, Oregon. I hope you can join me. If not, no worries. Next Saturday, December 10th, a week later, I'll be teaching it as a solo arrangement, live on Zoom, also recorded from 10 to noon Pacific time here in Portland. So feel free to join me for that if you like. But enjoy this beautiful piece. I hope it brings you peace. Hope you're enjoying the holiday season.